Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Crocs. This time, these are a Cocoa Puff collaboration. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Cocoa Puff Crocs, super cute collaborations. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really fun, quirky collaboration, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently retailing for. So let's jump right into it. So if you're a fan of the General Mills famous cereal like myself, Cocoa Puffs, I feel like I really hated milk growing up, and so eating cereal that really just made my milk flavorful was the only way I would drink it, and Cocoa Puffs just gave you that kind of free chocolate milk 2-for-1 special, so you could have chocolate milk and your cereal too. So definitely grew up eating this. Was one of my top favorite cereals. So definitely had to get a pair of Crocs to wear just to kind of reminisce on my childhood. As far as the gibbets go, you've got this really cool white and chocolatey effect going on throughout with this marbling, which I think is really reminiscent of the flavor and taste of the cereal itself. We've got a cute little straw here, a Cocoa Puff gibbet with the mascot there, the cute little bird on one of the Crocs. And on the other one, we do have a bowl of the Cocoa Puffs itself. Looks pretty much exactly like what Cocoa Puffs would look like in a cereal bowl. And again, another gibbet of that cute little bird. As we wrap around, we've just got an entirety of this really cool marbling that goes and fills the entirety of the Croc, even on the bottom of the outsole there. As far as the strap goes, we've got that same marbling, and it kind of gives almost a hint of pink hues on it there for the lighter brown areas. And then we've got Cocoa Puffs on here on these little circles on each side. And then we've got Crocs on the other side. As far as the box goes, we've got just a cute Cocoa Puff box that matches the cereal to a T. Great chocolate taste. Have to agree with that advertisement. But this is just a really fun, quirky Croc that you can wear for the summertime. So let's take a look at all of those details. All right, so let's talk about size and fit on Crocs. So I always say it really depends on how you like to wear your Crocs. I typically like to wear my Crocs in sport mode, so I usually will pull the strap up. So I actually go in size down by a lot. So I am a 6 in GS, which fits me perfectly, even if I have socks on and I still have a little bit of room to spare. So I would actually recommend sizing down on Crocs. I would not go with your regular size, especially if you like to wear it in sport mode like myself. I do have higher or narrow feet, so depending on whether or not you have wider, flatter feet, that could also differentiate a different size that may work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, this is just a really fun, quirky Croc to wear. This is not your everyday basic Croc, one solid colorway. So I definitely want to play with the color scheme that we saw throughout the different gibbets, as well as kind of the chocolatey marbling. So for the first look, I really wanted to match some orange hues. So I decided to wear a bodysuit that was orange with a plaid miniskirt in orange and white, just because the bird has that nice pop of orange color scheme to it. second look, I wanted to really play off of the blue hues on the gibbets there. So I decided to wear a dress that kind of matched these gibbets to a T with pink, white, and blue. And that was in a nice kind of floral print. And then for the last and final look, I decided to keep it pretty simple with some blue wide-legged pants and a white tank top. So you let me know if this was your favorite look or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how much these are retailing for. So these only came in GS sizing. So sorry, adult sizing, if you didn't make the cut on these ones. 7 youth is the largest size, which is a woman's 8.5. So I was able to snag a pair because they can fit in GS sizing, but these actually went for a cheaper price point since it is GS sizing for $50. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you are new here and joined us for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.